Can't decide which juicer to get? I've tried the top 3 juicers on the market, and here's what I think. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes and wellness videos for anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So with all of that, I also make juicer demos and juicer review videos for anyone who's just getting started on their journey or for someone who's just looking for that perfect juicer. So that's what today's video is all about. As you can see, we have an array of juicers here in front of us, and we'll be going over each one, discussing the different functions, the different features, and everything in between. So you can decide which one will be best for you. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see here in front of me, I have the infamous Nama J2. We also have the Canoly C16 and the Hurom H320. So the first juicer we're going to take a look at is the Canoly C16. This juicer is priced at $200, and let me show you what it comes with. So you have your pulp container as well as your juice container, which comes with its own strainer. Awesome. You'll get the base of the juicer as well as the chamber and the hopper, and the juice strainer and the auger are already inside. Also with that $200, you will get a sorbet strainer with the juicer. That's pretty awesome, especially for $200. And what I love about Canoly is they are very innovative. They have recently upgraded the juice and pulp containers. So let's go ahead and bring those in so that you can see those as well. So here are the new juice and pulp containers for the Canoly C16. This one here is for the pulp, and then this is your juice catcher, and it comes with the new and improved strainer. What I love about this one is on the side it's actually labeled to show you how much juice you'll be getting with your container, and it has a really nice handle on it. Also with the Canoly C16, it does come with a 15-year warranty. That is, however, on the motor only. For the parts, there is a 1-year warranty. With this juicer, you can use my code DarianWest, and you can save money at checkout on any of their products. So if you are interested in this one, you can use that code to save a little bit of cash. The great thing about the Canoly C16 is that you can use it not only to juice, but you can also make smoothies and plant-based milk and sorbet. So this juicer is really a powerhouse for $200. And of course, I'm sure you want to hear how the juicer sounds. So let's go ahead and plug it up so you can get a listen in. Not bad for $200, huh? Let's go ahead and move on to our next juicer. All right, so our next juicer is the Hurom H320. This juicer is priced at $599. And let's take a look at what that price gets you. So you have the H320 in this beautiful color. This color is kale. It comes with the hopper, the chamber, the base, a juice container, pulp container, and it also comes with a smoothie attachment. The Hurom H320, just like the Canoly C16, also can make juice, smoothies, and plant-based milks. It can also make sorbets, but the sorbet attachment is sold separately. So you would have to purchase that outside of your initial purchase, but it can do it too. So Don't worry. With all of the amazing things that the Hurom H320 comes with, it also comes with a 15-year warranty, and that is for parts as well as the motor. Now, I know you're already impressed. Well, let me just say, if you are interested in getting this juicer or any of Hurom's juicers, you can use my code Darian10 at checkout and save money. So if you have your eyes on this one, go ahead and head over there and use that code. And of course, I know you guys want to hear that motor, so let's go ahead and turn it on so you can hear it. Hurom H320 is also available in white and black for the base. Now, let's move on to our next and final juicer. All right, and last but certainly not least, my tried and true bestie. You guys know the Nama J2 has a special place in my heart because this is the first juicer I ever purchased. Let's go ahead and give her a breakdown. I left this one for last because she packs a punch and she has a lot that comes with her. So the Nama J2 is priced at $599. With that purchase, this is what you'll get. She comes with a hopper, chamber, juice strainer, auger, juice container, as well as a pulp container. And it also comes with, ta-da! She comes with your initial purchase, the smoothie strainer as well, so that you can not only juice, but also make smoothies. Now, everything else that I'm showing you after this point is something that you can purchase separately, but the J2, she has a lot going on. So let's start unpacking some of that. It has a juice strainer, which I think is pretty awesome. And it also comes with this little mechanism that you'll place inside of your strainer just to kind of push the juice down or any foam that may get in there so that you're making sure you get all of your juice. And this is how it looks inside of your container. Now, the Nama J2 also comes with another attachment. This here is the sorbet strainer. You just swap them out for whatever it is that you want to make. So if you want to use your ingredients to make a smoothie, you'll just pop this one in place. Same with the sorbet. Take this one out, put the sorbet strainer in, and there you go. Now we're gonna do a little bit of construction on our J2 so that I can show you the next awesome thing about it. Hold on one second. And yeah, won't be needing this. Be right back. You are going to love this. Look at that. Just for reference, this is our regular Nama J2 juice hopper, and this is the batch juicing hopper. A big difference. But not only does the Nama J2 come with this for batch juicing, she also comes with a whole pitcher set for batch juicing. Here is your new batch juicing pulp container. And this will be your juice container, as well as the strainer that comes with it. And you'll just pop that inside and everything will click into place, and that's it. See, I told you it was worth it. Now all of this here is sold separately, so you would have to make this purchase in addition to your regular purchase, unless you buy the Nama J2 XL bundle, which comes with the large hopper as well as the batch juicing containers. And of course, I have to let you guys get a listen, so I always do that. Now I will say this one may seem a little bit louder. I have had this juicer since 2022. So she is well broken in, but the Nama J2 is worth every penny. As you can see, I've had this juicer for 3 years, and if you watch my videos on a regular, you know that this juicer works literally like top tier. It's one of the best. It's so good. Now, I know what you're thinking. Go ahead and give us that code, girl. Well, I don't have one just yet, but stay tuned because I may be able to share one with you guys very soon. I will definitely put it in the description for you guys, so keep your eyes out for that, and I'll also pin it in the comments so you don't miss it. All right, guys, so now that you have seen all that these juicers have to offer, which one are you going to pick? The Canoly C16, the Nama J2, or the Hurom H320? If I had to pick, well, what do you guys think? Which one do you think is my favorite juicer? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. I hope that this actually gave you a little bit more insight on the different juicers and which one would be best for you. If you haven't already, check out some of the videos on my channel. I have used each one of these juicers, and you can watch them in action and see even more information about which one would be right for you. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.